Why are hair transplants in Turkey so much cheaper than in other countries? We'll give the 3 main reasons for that, so let's unravel this mystery. But first, let's talk numbers. How much cheaper is Turkey compared to the rest of the world?
Hair transplant in Turkey can cost up to 70% less than the US or Europe. In Europe, the average hair transplant can cost up to 10,000 euros, while in Turkey is around 2,000 to 4,000 euros.
But now back to our main question. Why is Turkey much cheaper compared to the rest of the world?
The first and main reason is the lower cost of living in Turkey. This means lower operational costs for clinics and savings passed on to patients. The second reason is that Turkey, especially Istanbul, is the capital of hair transplantation, with over 300 clinics and an estimated 2,000 hair transplant operations a day. The competition is fierce. The competition drives prices down, benefiting those seeking affordable treatments. And the third and final reason is that the Turkish government itself actively promotes medical tourism in the country. So the government itself helps the clinics in order to make advertisement, and even they pay a little bit of their budgets regarding the marketing all over the world. Plus, many patients combine their hair transplant with a vacation, making it an attractive package in Istanbul, and that significantly lower the prices.
That makes perfect sense. However, this begs the question, are you sacrificing quality for cost when you have your hair transplant in Turkey?
Not necessarily. Turkish surgeons are highly skilled. The quality of care is on par with and even exceed Western standards, making it a value for money destination. You just have to choose the right clinic for your operation and you will face no problem. If you want to know how to exactly choose the right clinic for you, you can just watch our previous video about this particular subject.
So there you have it. Affordable prices, intense competition, government support, high-quality care, and advanced technology make Turkey a go-to destination for hair transplants. If you have any other questions, ask your questions in the comments and we'll do our best to answer all of them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.